7 investing apps for 2022. Have you ever thought about investing in stocks but don't know where to start? Well, don't worry, we have the right thing for you. Investing your hard-earned money in something is a very risky job. First, you should gather all information on where are you investing and what is your credibility. Don't just jump on what others say. Now, there are different ways of investing: direct buying, through a broker, or online buying. You should surf all the options before selecting one. If you're looking for an online platform to invest in and you don't know where to look, watch this video. We'll share all the best investment apps for 2022, how they work, and how you can get benefits from them. We will also share some tips and tricks at the end on how to invest in stocks, so stay tuned. Without any delay, let's move toward our video. From getting medicine to buying a house, everything's done online today. People have more awareness and trust in online platforms than ever before. Now, many companies offer direct stock buying options, including Coca-Cola, Starbucks, and Walmart. There was also a concept of a broker before the online stock market, but it was not a reliable way of investing. In 1971, the NASDAQ created the first electronic stock platform and traded over 2,500 securities. It was a success, and from then, many companies like Globex, Euronext, and others introduced their electronic stock markets. Now, these markets have moved toward apps on app stores. The top 7 trading apps for July 2022 are: Number 1, Betterment. With a rating of 4.8 and millions of downloads, Betterment has earned a place in top investing apps. The app is beneficial for young investors that want to exceed their savings and people who are willing to take bigger risks with their money. Betterment is a robo-advisor service, which means it automates your funds in a way that will benefit you in long-term investments. How it works: it offers basic and premium services. For basic service, it charges 0.25% of total investment in a year. Premium service is available for members having at least $100,000 in their account and charges 0.4% annually. The difference between the two services is that in premium service you get a free consultation from experts, while in basic service you have to pay $199 for every consult. Disadvantages: apart from paying for professional advice, one disadvantage is the risk of emergency funds. Betterment provides emergency funds in the form of mostly bonds, and we all know how fast they drop in the market. Number 2, E-Trade. If you're a beginner, this app is for you. It is a new user-friendly app with a rating of 3.6. Although the rating seems low, it is considered a top app for beginners. It provides many benefits to advanced users as well. It has a free consultation platform, a vast research board, and robot educational help. It also offers a risk metric system, charting tool, and independent research system. E-Trade is also an educational platform, as it offers definitions of all terms and rules of investing. How it works: E-Trade offers different types of accounts, from brokerage accounts to individual retirement accounts, Coverdale educational savings to custodial accounts. It covers all your needs. There is no account minimum, nor is there a stock trading cost. For options trades, there is a fee of 65 cents per contract. There's no annual fee or inactivity fee, but it does have a $75 transfer out fee. Disadvantages: E-Trade is far behind other apps as it does not offer cryptocurrency, foreign exchange, or commodities trade. 3. Fidelity Spire. Fidelity Spire is another great app for beginners. It offers an extensive third-party research option that is downloadable. It also offers a portfolio analysis tool and tells options for quantifiable price savings and orders. It's preferred by people who want a fixed income and are frequent traders. It also offers professional guidance counselors and managed portfolios for new investors. How it works: Fidelity offers zero commission for stock trading ETFs. It also offers zero commission for over-the-counter stocks. For option charges, it takes 65 cents per contract. There's no fee for transfer out, outgoing wires, and paper statements. It offers 10 types of different accounts for businessmen, families, and charities, including 529 plans for college savings. Disadvantages: it has no cryptocurrency trading and no paper trading. Its portfolio pricing is higher than other competitors. 4. TD Ameritrade's Think or Swim. After E-Trade, TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim takes the lead for new investors. This app offers all the features that E-Trade does not have. Its most distinctive feature is its customer service. You can call them anytime and they'll be ready to help you. The other big advantage is it has comprehensive learning platforms, even classes for options, income trading, basics, and more. How it works. Thinkorswim has the highest fee and margin rates among other apps. For options, it's 65 cents per contract, $2.25 per trade on futures options, and $6.95 on OTC stock trade, and $25 per transaction on brokers trade. It also offers a wide range of accounts, including SEP IRA for entrepreneurs, solo 401k for retirement overall, and many more. Disadvantages. It is more expensive than other apps and does not offer a crypto trade. 5. Acorns. Acorns are the best app for someone who wants to save and invest at the same time. If you make any purchases with the linked account, the figure would round up and will be added to the savings. Acorns asks a series of questions, collects data, and then offers you plans that are most suitable for you. It also offers portfolios and research at a low cost. How it works. It has 5 accounts based on your preference, including Invest, Later, Spend, Found Money, and Early. The accounts include savings, retirement, college funds, and many other categories. It has 2 membership accounts, personal and family. Both accounts charge monthly fees, with personal being $3 and family $5. The family account is mainly for children's savings. It has slightly larger annual fee for stock and options than Betterment. Disadvantages. It has some disadvantages, like you have to pay for a checking account, there is no tax loss harvesting feature, and a high-end fee for low-income starters. 6. WealthBase. If you love gaming and investing, this app is for you. WealthBase allows you to invest in exchange during games. You can challenge your friend to a game, you can decide the duration on your own, weeks or even hours, and keeps you updated with the latest games and statistics. How it works. To participate in a game has no cost, but to sponsor a game there's a fee of $20 up to 1,000 players. On starting, the player will get $100,000 of virtual money. There is zero interest in trading stock, however for crypto there is a commission of 0.15%. Disadvantages. And one can say that this is not a true trading app to provide you with different types of account and offers classes or portfolios, but it surely has its fun while trading. 7. Ellevest. Ellevest is the app for users who want to achieve a specific goal in a specific time. It is new, user-friendly, and even offers no minimum investment policy. It has a special place for women with low income. You just have to fill out your basic information and mention your goals. The robot assistant will do the rest for you. It also asks you if you want to save for retirement or a business and then invests according to it. How it works. It has 3 membership tiers: Ellevest Essential, $1 per month, Ellevest Plus, $5 per month, and Ellevest Executive at $9 per month. All these offer different features, with Ellevest Executive offering an IRA account, taxable brokerage account, and adding of portfolios. It also offers a coaching option based on your tier. Disadvantages. It has no tax loss harvesting option, 0% API on cash management account, and a higher fee for small investments. Are investment apps worth a shot? Sometimes taking risks can take you higher. Although these apps are not insured, they offer many great opportunities. Before selecting an app, you must set your goals, whether you want to invest for retirement, education, or you want short-term investment. The bottom line. Now that you know the top investing apps, it's up to you to find out about your needs, interests, and goals and select an app according to them. But before investing, learn all you can about the stock market and how the trade exchange works. Keep yourself updated with the news and keep a lookout for your money. This ends our video for today. Tell us if you're thinking about investing in stocks through apps and what app is the best for you. Like our video, share, and subscribe to our channel to learn more about stocks and investments. See you in the next video.